Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we'll create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we have to draw a circle of radius 2.5 mm diameter, or we can say the 41 mm diameter circle. Then after that we have to draw one more circle of radius 23 mm and diameter 46 mm. So here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface to create such kind of component. So just first go to create a sketch, select this bottom plane. From here we will create two circles. One is 46 mm and another one is of 21 mm. Sorry, this is 41 mm. After creating these two circles, what we have to do next? We have to create this particular hexagon of 21 mm, that is the distance between this point and this point. For that we use, from here we'll select this polygon. For that we'll select this inscribed polygon. For here, then we'll select this one and provide here 21, provide here 10.5 and press OK. So as you can see, we have created such kind of polygon. Now the next, as per the drawing, we can see here we have to draw these two lines, and the distance between these two lines is 2 mm. For that we will select this one, draw a line from here to here, and similarly we have to draw one more line here to here and press escape. Now we will select this perpendicular and select this one and this one, this one and this one, and press escape. And the distance between this line and this line should be 1 mm. Similarly, this line and this line should be 1 mm as per the drawing. Now as you can see, we have created such kind of component. After this, what we have to do next, select this circle command, put here and draw a circle of 10 mm diameter and press enter. After this, from here we will select this trim command, trim this edge, this one, 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 and this one, also this one and this one. So as you can see, we have created such kind of profile. Now from here we'll select this pattern command, select this, select this, this, and select the center point as this one. From here we'll choose 6. As you can see in this particular drawing, here we can see we have to create these 6 one. So just press OK. After this, what we have to do, just select this trim command and trim these edges. So as you can see, we have created such kind of profile. Now finish the sketch, go to home position and go to this extrude one, select this profile and provide 10 mm thickness and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the same component what we have seen in this particular exercise. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.